Meaning of fasciitis.
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 Fasciitis. Fasciitis refers to the inflammation of the fascia, which is the connective tissue that surrounds muscles, bones, and organs. This condition can cause pain, stiffness, and swelling in the affected area. The most common type of fasciitis is plantar fasciitis, which affects the foot and causes heel pain. Other types include necrotizing fasciitis, which is a rare but serious bacterial infection that can be life-threatening. Treatment for fasciitis typically involves rest, stretching, physical therapy, and medication to reduce pain and inflammation. In severe cases, surgery may be necessary to repair or remove damaged tissue.